Add single certificate to requests. I'm trying to connect to a corporate intranet HTTPS server, which uses an in-house CA, from within Python/request running on a Linux machine. I have a PEM file that contains our certificate, 4096-bit RSA, CSSM_keys_verify, CA equals true. I put this into a subfolder of /user/share/CA certificates and use sudo dpkg reconfigure CA certificates in order to integrate it in the system. In the requests documentation, I found you can verify the path to a CA_bundle file or directory with certificates of trusted CAS. If verify is set to a path to a directory, the directory must have been processed using the C_rehash utility supplied with OpenSol. I believe, but I'm not sure, that /etc/SSL/certs fulfills this condition. Now, I tried requests in various ways. Actually, using self-signed certificates with requests in Python looks like it could describe the same problem, but is not answered yet.
Thanks to @Stark, I found out that the problem was that my certificate file was expired. With the correct, up-to-date certificate, even in DAIR format, with the SIR extension, the following syntax now works.